In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Salesforce. This is a quick but really useful skill, especially if you find the text or interface a bit too small, or if you're presenting Salesforce to others and want everything to be easier to see on screen. First, go ahead and log into your Salesforce account using your usual method. Once you're in, navigate to any tab or page where you'd like to zoom in. This could be your home page, an opportunities list, a dashboard, or any other area you work with regularly. The zoom controls we're going to use affect what you see in your browser, so they'll work the same way no matter which Salesforce page you're on. Now, let's look at the fastest way to zoom, which is using keyboard shortcuts. If you're on Windows, press the Control key and the plus key together to zoom in. If you're on a Mac, press the Command key and the plus key together. Each time you press this shortcut, your browser will increase the zoom level a bit more, making text, buttons, and data easier to see. If you go too far and everything starts to look a bit too large, you can zoom out in almost the same way. On Windows, press Control and the minus key. On a Mac, press Command and the minus key. Again, each press will step the zoom level down until you're back at a size that's comfortable for you. These keyboard shortcuts are handy when you need to adjust quickly, for example, during a meeting or while switching between different monitors. If you'd rather not use the keyboard, you can control zoom directly from your browser's menu. Look to the top right corner of your browser window. You should see a More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or 3 lines. Click that icon to open the drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the section labeled Zoom. Here, you'll see a number showing the current zoom percentage, along with plus and minus icons. Click the plus icon to zoom in step by step, and click the minus icon to zoom back out. This method is great if you prefer using your mouse or trackpad, or if you like seeing the exact zoom percentage as you adjust it. And that's all you need to know. Whether you use the keyboard shortcuts or the browser menu, you can quickly zoom in on any Salesforce page and make your workspace more comfortable and readable.